This is the sign up page, so if I press submit, it'll put the details in, and so then I press login, it'll take me to the sign in page. And to prove that the details have gone into the database, you can see right here that the account was added. We go back here. Here is a welcome screen that you can see has been populated with information. You've got the nav bar with the tutoring schedule, which will take you to the tutoring schedule. If the user goes to my account, they can click reset password and they can fill out the forms to reset their password if they want. Additionally, they can also press log out and it will log them out. If they press update details, it will come into here and they can update their details by putting in their ID number and filling out their information. Rice, because rice is the best. Press submit, and we can see the details have come in here in the database. Additionally, the user can also delete their account. There's even a message down here for user safety to make sure they don't accidentally delete their account. And we can see the user details have been updated here. Now, a user can also make a booking. So let's say I want to book for design. I press, I think this session's good, so I click book session. It says booking successful. Come back to the database, go over to session, and we can see it has been filled in with the one we just clicked on. Go back to the booking, we can see the booking that I made, and I can also delete it if I want. There's also this old booking system that I want to compare to the new one. The new one I implemented as it includes many more usability principles and elements. Also, due to time constraints, there was also this link that admins can go to and they can view all the booking sessions that have been done by students. This is the code for delete page. This is to make sure the user is logged in when they're on that page. Database configuration. Then we have CSS for the nav bar. Defining the nav bar. And the part of deleting. The user safety down here. Once more, this is kind of similar. You got the same CSS for the nav bar, but this is the account page for displaying this. It has all the buttons, as we can see here, and the SQL statement that displays this table. This is also one of the booking pages, 7 to 12 math. So for this, got the same session, the nav bar, the CSS. And you have the creation of the table for each session and a book button that the users can press to book for that session, which will insert into the session, which is one of the tables in the database. These values with the ID HTML, which is the user's ID, and then those values in to say the session. It's all pretty familiar for the code for the other subjects. It's just the names get changed, name of the variables and tables. Once again, we have the nav bar and the CSS, and this is for the welcome page. Oops. This is for the welcome page, and the information on the page to increase viewer comprehension. We also have some images of the students. Once again, check if the user is logged in, the nav bar and the CSS. This is a page for the admins to display all this information on the users that have booked. So we've got the SQL query, select all from session, and then have that information displayed in a table to which the admin can read. And there's also a delete button. There's also the booking page, which is, CSS, similar to, same as the other. And the buttons, they've been color coded to increase viewer comprehension and make it easier. Increase user friendliness. And there's the code for the old table that won't be used in the final product.